Hey guys, it's your girl Shauna and I am back with another video, and today I just wanted to discuss a topic when it comes to me and probably everybody's weight loss journey. The topic is going to be about food addiction. So, I said in my last video that I didn't really feel like food addiction was a real thing, and it took me to realize I had a certain type of addiction for me to realize that, oh my god, this is really a real thing. So we're going to talk about that a little bit more. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Shauna Chana and I am on a weight loss journey. I am starting the process of doing VSG. So I'm going to be documenting every step, all my appointments, everything leading up to the surgery, and then therefore after. Right now I'm in the beginning stage. I'm going to be starting my nutrition appointments in a couple weeks. In a couple weeks. This week, actually, on Thursday, I have my upper endoscopy with Bravo to check my pH to see if I have acid reflux. So the ball is moving along. I've discussed some hiccups I've had in the process along the way on my YouTube channel, and if you want, you can check those videos out. They'll be in the description below. Thought I heard the babies wake now. But yeah, today is mostly about food addiction. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. If you're on a weight loss journey, give this video a thumbs up and comment, because I love talking back and forth with you guys. People who have had the surgery, people who are going to have it, people who are just on a weight loss journey and aren't doing surgery. It's just really nice to have such a good community to talk to. Okay? So, the reason I thought that food addiction was not a real thing is because I felt like we just eat because we're supposed to eat. And we eat things that taste good and things that we like, but it's not like, oh my god, I ate this now in 10 minutes I want to eat it again, and 10 minutes later I want to eat it again. And I guess my definition of what I thought food addiction people were saying they had was totally different or even wrong, because what made me realize that food addiction was real was a couple weeks ago I said I'm going to start making me small little snacks to take to work, juicing, smoothies, all this kind of stuff. So I'm not going to buy any food, any carry out, because I'm just trying to make small steps along the way prior to having the surgery on my own. So I was making like sandwiches, wraps, salads. I would make a smoothie every day for when I break my fast around noon, and I would put it in a mason jar and put it in the freezer at work, and then around 10:30, 11 I would take it out, let it start to thaw out so that I can drink it when I break my fast first. So what happened was, the first day, okay, it was fine, but I was starving. Like, before I drink the smoothie, I was starving. And I was like, I'm about to go downstairs, because in my building at work, there's a cafe. I'm like, I'm about to just go downstairs and get something to eat. And I, like, really had to talk myself out of it. Like, I was in my head, like, thinking about what I wanted to go get to eat and what was I going to eat. And at the same time, I was, like, battling myself. I'm like, no, you're not going to eat this. You're going to eat what you brought. You're going to be hungry. You're going to eat what you brought, in order of the things that you brought, and that's going to be it. You're going to deal with it. You're going to be hungry because you don't need any more than this. That was step one of me realizing that food is a certain type of addiction. Okay, so the next day, got my lunch packed, got my smoothie packed, riding past Dunkin' Donuts. Every morning I get a coffee. But yesterday I didn't get a coffee. So the next day I'm like, okay, I'm going to stop and get a coffee. And I was like, but no, why am I getting a coffee? That's not a part of my food regimen. I don't want to keep drinking the coffee because of the cream in it. I don't put sugar in my coffee anyway. But cream is still sugar in it. Flavor is still sugar in it. So that was another thing I was going to try and stop doing. It wasn't until I rolled past the Dunkin' Donut, and I literally have to pass 2 Dunkin' Donuts before I get to work. So I rolled past the first one. I'm like giving myself big ups in my head. Like, okay, you did it, girl. You ain't stop at Dunkin' Donuts. You ain't get your coffee, possibly a sandwich. You kept going. Good job. It wasn't until I got about 2 blocks towards the other Dunkin' Donuts, and I just was like really trying to talk myself out of it. And I failed. I went to Dunkin' Donuts. I got a sandwich and a coffee. And it wasn't until I got to work, I drank my coffee, like riding to work. When I got to work, when I went to heat up the sandwich because it had got cold by then, I just was like, ugh, why did I even get this? I'm not supposed to be eating this. And it's like, I felt like a failure. I felt like I failed in the process, because why else would I want to go stop at Dunkin' Donuts when I know that I shouldn't be. I know that I don't really want to. I don't really even enjoy Dunkin' Donuts food, but I do like their coffee. And that's when I realized, like, oh my God, this is something beyond my control. Like, I'm actually fighting in my head to not stop and get something. And it's not like I was going to get some, like, delicious, oh my God, this food is so delicious. It's just a fact of habit. Like, you're so used to doing it this way. You're so used to going to stop in the morning, get your breakfast. You used to at lunch, going somewhere and grab you some lunch. And it's just like, ugh. I was like so disappointed in myself. And that's when I realized, like, food addiction is real. And I'm glad I realized it, because now I can, you know, deal with it head on. And I can try and go a different direction so that I won't go towards Dunkin' Donuts. Or I can better fight the urges. But y'all, I feel so bad to even have felt like at first it wasn't an addiction. I thought it was just like convenience. It's just convenient to get something right now other than making it at home. So yeah, that's been my thing, trying to figure out how to say, no, I do not want that. I'm going to eat from the house. I'm going to fix healthier options for myself and care about myself enough not to eat junk or order food. Or that's been the hardest battle. It has. So I apologize if I offended anybody when I said food addiction is not real, because it's very much real. We just don't know that it's an actual. The same way when people like, oh, I drink a glass of wine every day. I'm not addicted to wine. It's fine. But the moment that you don't have wine and you don't have your glass of wine, your whole day is just jacked up. Your whole situation is jacked up. It's an addiction, and you don't know. You don't know it's an addiction until you don't want to do it anymore, basically. So I'm just really glad that I learned that, because now I'm not ignorant to it, and I'm not gonna let it hold me down or hold me back from my goal. I'm gonna be cognizant of it, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm sticking to my food regimen of what I'm taking. Because really, when I was taking my lunch, I was packing like really good healthy things, and it would really have benefited me just to follow through with what I had than to get something that has the same calories in it for one sandwich for the amount of calories I could damn near eat all day. So yeah, I just couldn't believe that I figured that it was something that wasn't real. And it's real. It's real shit. Like, people are addicted to food. You get your happy from your food. You feel full. You feel content. You feel bad afterwards. You feel all kind of things. But I'm not going to let that be my problem. I'm going to really work on fixing my lunches, fixing my smoothies. And they say it only takes 30 days to make a new habit, so I'm going to be doing this 30 days. I'm not even cooking no big old holiday meal, because I just don't want to enjoy the holiday with food. I want to enjoy the holiday with my family, watch my babies open their gifts, and just enjoying each other's company. I don't want it to be centered around food. Y'all. But the same day that I realized this whole situation, the day after I got the Dunkin' Donuts, I went back to work and like, okay, it's a new day. It's a new day, Shauna. We're going to do this right. Roll past both Dunkin' Donuts. Drink my smoothie at 12. Well, no, I broke my fast at 12 with a green tea. Drink a green tea. Because I wasn't feeling that good. Then I had drank part of my smoothie. And then later on around 2, because I get off at 2:30. Then around 1:30, 2 o'clock, I ate my salad that I took to lunch. And I actually was fine. But y'all, how about my job from 12 to 2 had a Christmas party, and they had like turkey, ham, I don't eat that anyway, sweet potatoes, like the whole holiday, same shit that you eat for Thanksgiving. I didn't eat none of it. I'm so proud. Y'all, my baby is up, but I hope you got the point of this. Food addiction is real, but you can surpass it. You can get over it. Just believe in yourself and eat healthy, and we're gonna do this, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, please.